Titanic movie. Conjunctions or connectors. Part 8 of 10. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, Part 8 of 10. The Titanic was called unsinkable blank, it sank on its first trip. Moreover, however, still. Rose was a rich girl. Blank, she felt very unhappy with her life. Moreover, still, in contrast. First-class passengers had big rooms. Blank, third-class passengers had small ones. Moreover, on the other hand, however, Jack had no money. Blank, Cal was very wealthy. Moreover, in contrast, still. The ship was breaking apart. Blank, the water was freezing cold. Moreover, however, on the other hand. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie answer key, Part 8 of 10. The Titanic was called unsinkable. However, it sank on its first trip. Reason, however, shows a contrast. Rose was a rich girl. Still, she felt very unhappy with her life. Reason, still adds a contrasting point. First-class passengers had big rooms. On the other hand, third-class passengers had small ones. Reason, on the other hand, is used to show a contrasting side of a situation or topic. Jack had no money. In contrast, Cal was very wealthy. Reason, in contrast, is used to highlight a clear difference between two things or people. The ship was breaking apart. Moreover, the water was freezing cold. Reason, moreover, adds more important information to what was already said. Like, comment and subscribe.